Hey, how's everyone doing? It's the next day here. Afternoon. We're gonna get this bumper put on over here. And here we go. Now I'm looking at this. This doesn't look like fun. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, I didn't realize that. So what I'm thinking is, we're gonna try this anyways, put it on like this. But otherwise, I gotta pull all these bolts off to remove the bumper. And these studs are behind this molding over here. So we're gonna have to try to do this the hard way. Let's go take a look at the car. Excuse me. There we go. Here goes the trunk from yesterday. It's all dried. Yeah, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? One thing I did screw up on. I could have put the hook for the spare tire. I could have welded it on here. I could have welded that to here somewhere so it'll hold the spare tire sturdy. Still could. Just not going to do it today. So let's get underneath here. I can position the light a little bit better. Yeah, the underneath is still all nice. Yeah. All right. So I got to play around with these. I got to take these 4 bolts off right here on each side. Yeah, and this bumper should just pop right off. I don't see anything else holding it. Oh, I got some wiring right here. Okay, so we got some wires going through. Maybe not. Yeah, they're in the middle. Okay, so yeah, let me get these wires disconnected, and yeah, we're gonna throw this bumper on today. This isn't gonna be a how-to video. I'm just showing you the progress of this car. That's about it. So hold on. All right, here we go. We're back. I got the bumper off. It was pretty straightforward. Just the 4 bolts hold it on right here. These license plate bolts, bulbs just came right out. You have 2 of them. So it was pretty straightforward. So here's the bumper. And now I got to get the body fillers, the panel fillers out. I got these little press-in rivet type things. So that's really all it is. So let me put this on, take all this stuff off with the tools I have, and we'll install it onto the next one. Alright, that's it. Bye. Alright, man, where we go? We're back. I got guest star Lou D's here. I needed some help with this, and I had to make a call. Shows up like that. Anyways, we got all this lined up on here now, and welder saved us again today. Remember how these were falling through? I just put a little tacky. Now we're good, because I thought I'd be putting this on by myself, so I figured I'd make it easier like that. Then we got these things. I'm not sure what they do, but that's how they were. And there we go. So I just got a wire brush our brackets right here, and we're in. We're on. Oh yeah, one other thing too. I got all the plastics on too right here. All the body bumper fillers. Yeah, everything just popped right out. All I did was break one, and I took the middle one out of here, and I put it back over here where the one I broke was. So we're good to go. Next step, you'll see it on the car, and we can celebrate. Almost done. All right, bye-bye. All right, we're all done. She's looking pretty good right now. Not bad. I'm very happy with this. Here goes the tires in. I got the jack mounted. Carpet's in here. Yeah, not bad. Let's shut the trunk. And here we go. all set. One thing I did have to fix was this over here. The clips inside were broken off, so I used a carriage bolt, put it back on like that. But other than that, it's fine. Gas tank's in. She's a driver. All right, so yeah, we're ready to roll here. Anyways, that's the end of this video then. So yeah, she's getting there. What's next on it? I don't even know. I don't know. Hopefully putting that 350 I have in here. We'll see how she goes. All right, so that's it for now, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.